Yo, what's the deal, YouTube? Just a quick disclaimer before we get into this video. I am not the first person to do this video. Just want to give credit to where it's due. I saw it on TikTok first. And yeah, so I'm basically just kind of testing it to see if it works or not. So it's going to be a little how-to, you know, does this work, does it not? Yeah, I'm just letting y'all know that right now. So don't try to come at me. Yeah. Boom. Enjoy your video. Yo, what is the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Ragda and today we is here with another video. Let's go, man.
We love you, Taka. I know who's there at the door right now.
Now listen. Have y'all ever got a fire shirt and either it was too small, like you ordered it or something, and it was too small, or you got it, wore it a few times and it just shrunk? Well, today, I got a solution for you. You right there, sitting down. But before we start the tutorial, I want to tell y'all to go like this video, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff for more fashion drip content for me. You feel me? All that good stuff. You know, it only takes 1 second, so go do that real quick. Yeah. I got these two shirts here. I'm gonna snap it in here real quick, just like we used to do the beats. I'm gonna do it right here. Yes, sir. Look at this boy. Hold on. Now, I ain't wore this in a while just to hold off for this video, but as y'all can see, Travis Scott with the graphic. I think it says La Flame on the bottom. Yeah, it says La Flame right there with the Jack Boys car. Travis Scott here, Days for Rodeos, Astro World, Jack Boys. This is just a picture of Travis. I think this might be from the Butterfly Effect video. No. It's kind of small right now, like the sleeves. You'll see it in the B-roll I do. The sleeves for this one are like chopped off a little bit, like they like right here. So what we finna do is we finna get right into how to make your shirts larger. Let's go.
One eternity later.
So I'm back with y'all, man. We here in the bathroom with it so that we can, you know, do the process. Yeah, I try to get the best angle of the bathroom, kind of weird. So yeah, you want to get a bowl, you feel me? Get a bowl. It can be see-through, it can be like this, it don't really matter. We only gonna do this shirt on camera because I don't know if putting both shirts in, like it's gonna do something or something. We only gonna do one shirt, so we gonna get the bowl. You feel me? Now we're gonna fill it up with warm water. Can't be too hot, can't be too cold, just gotta make it warm. So like I said, not blazing hot, but not blazing cold, lukewarm. So yeah, but I'm sure y'all all know how to fill up a bowl with water. Hey, okay, it's over. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves so I don't get water on my sleeves because I know that triggers people. What we gonna do next is get some conditioner. You gotta be conditioner. I don't know, can y'all see that? Yeah, it's kind of light. Oh, there you go. Get some conditioner. It don't really matter what you use. I've been using this for what's this called? Washing styles, but just get some of it. It don't really matter how much you put. Don't put in a whole bunch, but don't put in just a smidge, just, you know, a good amount. So just drop it in there, put some more in there. One more. I think that should be straight. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. It look kind of nasty, isn't it? I'm gonna show you without spilling it. That's what it look like right now. You feel me? Mix it in a little bit. Make sure it's all. Alright, straight. Now, after mixing this, you can see a bunch of chunks in there. Now, what you want to do is you want to get your shirt. You feel me? Get your shirt. As you can see, I really hope this don't mess up. I really hope I do this right. So you're just gonna put it in there like this. And so, just gonna soak it in there. Just gonna press it in there, press it in. Come on, go in, yeah, let's like that. All right, put it in there, make sure it's all submerged. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I don't feel like it's enough. Like I really hope this don't ruin the shirt. Put it all in there. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like now. It look just like that, you feel me? The shirt's in there. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like right now. So here you go. Look like a little fish or something like that in there. The shirt is in there, and now what we finna do is we gonna leave this to dry. Or not, whoa. We're gonna leave this to soak in here for a good 30 minutes, you feel me? Let me show y'all a timer so y'all know I ain't capping. And then choose 30, boom, there we go. I'm gonna catch y'all back here in 30 minutes.
few moments later.
30 minutes is up. What we're gonna do is take the tea out or whatever. Let the excess water run out, as you can see. It's running out, it's running out. Hopefully this works. I love this shirt. So now what we finna do is wring it out. Wring out the shirt. Make sure it's wrung out to the best of your ability. You don't want any water dripping after, that's the goal.
I'm squeeze it and I'm just wring it. Wring it like this. Just don't keep wringing it until the point where there's no water squeezing at all. This. If you come back here, no water. No water. Make it over here. And as you can see, I'm gonna do it over the same so y'all can see. Y'all see ain't no water coming out? No, never mind. I'm tapping. Here we go.
Make sure all the water gets out. That's you gotta wring it out nice and good, you feel me?
Wring it out nice and good. Make sure all the water comes out. Good. All you're doing is over the same now.
I hope all the water came out. You know, you can't get all of it, obviously. The conditioner smells nice. Now bring it out one more time. Excess water there. And I think we should be straight now. On to the next step, which is actually pulling on the shirt, straightening it out how you want it to be, like, you know, looking. First, I'm gonna dry it for about 15 minutes because it just came out the wet, you know, the wetness. So I'm gonna dry it out for about 15 minutes. You know, just put it on the hanger right here. Put that boy on the hanger like this. It's already looking longer, man. I'll put it right here. As y'all can see, this hanger part broke off, but it's gonna stay right there for today. Boom, we get our timer here. Oh wait, let me pour out this water real quick. Let me show y'all what it's looking like in here. Now, I'm finna just pour this out. I gotta charge my iPad, it's at 1%. 15 minutes right here, boom, bow. I will catch y'all back here with the shirt, stretching it out when 15 minutes is over with.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And we are back. I hope the camera angle's the same. If it's not, what can you do about that? So anyway, as you can see, the shirt is still damp. So now what we're gonna do is pull on the parts where I want it to be longer. So as y'all saw in the B-roll in the beginning, the sleeves were kind of short. So I'm gonna pull on these a little bit. Like I said with the last video with the curve and the hat brims, go check that out, it's gonna be right there. Like I said, you don't wanna just use a bunch of force and rip it. You just wanna be gentle with it, kind of pull, tug on it. I hope this works. I've never tried this before, so. You know, like with a shirt, it's different. You don't wanna be too gentle. You wanna kind of use some force.
Yeah.
We're gonna do both of them, you feel me? Both of them, like this. Pull on it a little bit, go on the inside.
Bro, who got a scat?
Go on the inside.
Just pull on it a little bit like this. Just keep pulling on it.
Yeah, man, I think this pulling part is gonna take about 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm gonna catch y'all back when that's done with. Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Oh, y'all still there? Hey, if y'all made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, all that good stuff, you feel me? So why is the light on? Hold on. So look, man, we got the shirt here. I did the other one off camera because, you know, what's the point of doing two on camera? I just did my favorite one right here, so you feel me? It already looked longer. Yeah, got my boy Naruto on the back. Anyway, now what you want to do, take your hanger, put your shirt on the hanger like this. Just put it on like this, boom. Now you can either dry it outside or inside. I think the inside, if you dry it inside, it's gonna take like a day, 24 hours, full 24 hours. If you dry it outside, it's gonna take shorter time. So I'm gonna just dry it inside because this already, yeah, I'm gonna just dry it inside. Plus it's wet outside and it's rainy and stuff. It look nasty outside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it for the video purposes. I'm gonna just put it right here. The shirt's hanging up on my dresser right here. Leave it there for 24 hours, or that's what I'm gonna do. With that being said, I'm gonna leave the shirt here. I'm gonna catch y'all back here tomorrow and we gonna see how it look like. You feel me? So yeah, go get some rest, go do your homework, go hit the like button. Yeah, I'll see y'all back here 24 hours.
The next day.
What's going on, y'all? Is the next day. It's been 24 hours. I got some more energy today. I got some more sleep. So now we is hype. Anyway, we got the shirt here. As you can see, I'm gonna pull it back a little bit right here. As you can see, the back looks longer for sure. Maybe I messed up on the front, but this back looks longer for sure. And that might be the way I want it to fit. I don't know. We gonna see in the B-roll. I haven't tried it on yet. So I'm gonna do this B-roll for y'all real quick so y'all can see if the shirt, if this was a pass or a fail. So yeah, let's go into that right now. as y'all saw, I would say the shirt was a success, you feel me? If you go back in the video to the B-roll from before, you see the sleeves are shorter and now they were longer. This part longer at the bottom right here. This is longer at the bottom. And I did have to realize that this is a small, so it wasn't gonna fit like bigger on the sides because it is a small. But overall, I like the fit that it gives off now. And that was a good method to use. I'm gonna start using that for some more stuff. If I get more stuff that doesn't fit me, I'm gonna just put it with the conditioner, like I said, in there. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all stayed this far. If y'all stayed this far, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, comment down below I subscribe, all that good stuff for more fashion drip videos, elevating my fashion with y'all. You feel me? All of that good stuff. Oh yeah, and comment down below. That's about all I have for y'all today. Stay safe, stay drippy, stay clean, stay smooth. I'm out. Have a nice day.
Okay. Bye.
I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave them 4 burgers at once for a startup. I can't let them down, walk around.